Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is 867 transpose matrix. Transpose matrix is basically you just have to flip the row into column and column into row. So we will solve this through this method. First you have to find the size of a matrix, which is matrix dot size, and int n equals to matrix of 0 dot size. Okay, and after that you just have to for int factor comma int t comma and vector in m. You just have to create the 2D vector and then traverse through the matrix for int I equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus for int j equals to 0, j less than m, comma j plus plus. You just have to write the values in t equals to I comma j is equals to matrix of j comma I. Okay, you just have to do this, and after that you just have to do one thing, cout endl to move in the next line, and after that you just have to return the matrix t. Okay, means 2D vector. Let's run it, whether this code running properly or not. There is an error matrix. Okay, spelling is wrong. Yeah, this code is running properly. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this is fine. Thank you for watching.